Understand? In with that very day, I told Akuzayon that I'm not ready to go to court. I cannot drag Ozokome to court because he is the lawyer of Nnamdi Kanu. And dragging him to court now, it seems we are fighting IPOP as well. By then, when IPOP come after you in the East as an individual, you know that you are gone. The only people that can withstand IPOP is government. Everybody knows that. So I told Akuzayon that I'm not ready to go to court, that I'm willing to settle with him. Then we agreed on settlement. So my barrister, they were there. I called Macon. I told Macon, please, the petition you wrote, withdraw the petition. Let us settle. At least there is fire in the East, so that the fire will not continue. Okay? So Akuzayon was settled. You know, and this is just a problem of an Igbo man. When you see Igbo youth bragging, you know, dragging, you will think that they are going to kill themselves. But when there is a reconciliation, if you see them laughing and discussing as a brother, you will not believe it. It's just a normal nature for Igbo person. I'm telling you, that very day, we talked as a young youth. We hugged ourselves. Akuzayon even told me that there was a time he was supporting my NGO. He explained people that he have donated money on his behalf. So we hugged ourselves. Lozeus also came that very day. So we hugged ourselves. I supposed to come out that Saturday, but the office that's supposed to sign my this thing was not available. So when I was released, we all went to Ozokome's office, the barrister to Nnamdi Kanu. He started advising us, giving us fatherly advice. Before then, Commissioner of Police also gave us fatherly advice when we met him and told him that we have settled. We want the case to go. So, and if you are one of my followers and you are listening to this broadcast, I want you to know that what we agreed in the police station is that let the case go. Let the case do what? Go and die. Now we met Ozokome. Ozokome did not give us an advice as a lawyer, but he gave us advice as a father. As he gave us fatherly advice. He taught us a lot of things that we did not know. After that, the man is a very nice man. We snapped picture with him. He gave us diary, like I have my own diary here. And to be honestly speaking, brought up my WhatsApp number. Ozokome's picture has been on my DP for long. The first time I saw him in the court with our brother, and the last time I watched his video where he was testifying that he was kidnapped, and later he was released. So we all rejoiced together over there, took pictures together, smiled together, and we agreed that the case should die and go. And I'm here to pass the information to all my followers. To all my followers following me, all the members of Omenala Igbo, listen. As a leader, I am telling you what we agreed in the police station. The police advise us that whenever we are preaching, that we are free to preach our religion and our belief. Understand? But whenever we are preaching, we should not call someone's name. Secondly, we should not tag someone's picture. That is against the law. Do you get me? It is against the law. So as if you are my follower and a member of Omenala Igbo, and tomorrow you come out to mention someone's name or tag someone's picture while broadcasting, I'm not in support. Okay? So this is the advice they gave to us. And as we have concluded in the station, let this case go. Let it go. Everyone should forgive and forget. Our people all over the world, especially our people in Mozambique, I'm here pleading as a leader. Please, you guys should forget and forgive. everybody should forget this matter about Zion and Ebuka Obi. Let us know that this matter has been settled and ended in the police station. Let's move on. Do you get me? Let us move on. So, if you are broadcasting, please, you can say whatever you want to say, but don't mention name. Nobody banned anybody from broadcasting. And Zion himself also wholeheartedly told me that he will come to visit our brother that was wounded. That he will take care of the brother. He told me that, which we are still expecting him. And I believe, as he has said it, that he's going to fulfill his promise. So starting from today, let us not continue this issue. After this broadcast, I don't want to see you online tagging Zion or Ebuka Obi or any other person on this matter. This matter have ended. We have disagreed to agree. That is what is in any problem. So I'm just telling you our conclusion and what we agreed on social media. And tomorrow, maybe you see all those people using my name, cascading my name on social media, calling me name. Don't fight. Leave them. Some of them might be member of Zion or member of other pastors. Then out of anger, because of they are using my name to castigate me, now you use their own pastor. Allow them. They are advertising us. They are advertising me. So everything about this matter, I'm here to tell you that we have ended everything. Okay? We ended everything in police station. We hug ourselves. We talked a lot of things, or even in businesses and other things. We all there, both the lawyer and me and everybody. Okay? I told Macon to withdraw the petition, and he did what I told him. Okay? So let every one of us be guided. Okay? And I want to tell you this as a leader. Whenever you find yourself, let me say, whenever police approach you, because I must tell you this as a leader, unless the police did not present ID card, even some people can form ID card of police, because every day they came, you know how everywhere in the east, you know, I was scared maybe they have come to kidnap me or whatever. So wherever you are, when you see the police presenting their ID card to you, follow them. You don't need to drag with them. Gently follow them. Police station is not a place people are being killed. Police station is not a place people are being killed. Police station is a place where your right can be protected. Police people is even afraid of detaining you illegal, because everything has law. Okay? So I want this matter. I don't want anybody tomorrow when you come, you still raise this matter of Zion and arrest. Let it go. This is what we agreed on police station. Let the whole case die. Okay? Let us move on with our teaching, our liberation. Now, the police is for everybody. Just like when I told the commissioner, I told him that I'm going to work with your office, because a lot of burdens in my heart of so many destruction I am seeing in Igbo land because of different types of religion. He told me that here is a public office, that a matter can only be called a case, a matter in a police station if it is being reported. But if it's not reported, it's never be a matter. So Ndi Igbo niile ka nna ayo ụmụnne m ndị na-eso m n'azụ, ihe anyị mere agree n'ụlọ ndị uwe ojii bụ na keesi anwụgo, na egbugi ya ka esi egbu ihe. Ifuru keesi nke egbugi ya, onye achọzina nwanne ya, onye akpọzina nwanne ya afa. onwe ihe na-adịghị ọma efere a na-eme na Igbo, police station dị la open ijen. Mana ọkwa maka keesi nke a anyị akagbughị ya na station. Gwụrụ na nwe nnekwu. And ọ bụ na ịpụta echi were picture akụ Zion tag kwa akpari bịa because of this case. Ọ bụrụ ọzọ akụ Zion ka ị na-akparị kụzi m nwa mụ na ya na-abụ mego agree makochuo onwe anyị kpechi udo both na station both na nke barrister. Ị na-akparị kụzi m nwa. Na nwe nnekwu, let this very case die. Let's move on.